Good morning. Today is our last day. Uh, in fact, today we are checking out from our resort. Time is around 9 a.m. So we should start in another 30 minutes to Mangalore. It's slightly raining here, so the checkout process might finish in another 15 minutes, and then we'll hit the road.
Wow! We are leaving in 15 minutes. Let's pack our bags. Woohoo!
This is a beautiful resort called Red Earth. It comes on the borders of Gokarna, but it is tightly coupled to Ankola actually. And you have a kind of rock beach, which is a private beach attached to this property. You can go and sit there on the rocks. People who love meditating can meditate for hours just in front of the sea. So then you have a spa here, again attached to the resort, very close to the beach. We have spa. You can go and get spa treatment while you are relaxing in this resort. Apart from that, we have a private beach which is called Honey Beach. I think when you Google Honey Beach Ankola, you will be able to find the beach. So the Honey Beach is tightly attached to the property. You can actually walk down. It takes about 5 minutes to go down to the Honey Beach, and you can spend a good amount of time there. The best part was we could get a pet here. So this place is very pet friendly. You could actually order food for your pet. You can ask them, give them the menu. They actually prepare it for your dog's likings. We could take him to Honey Beach. We could take him to the Rock Beach, which is attached to the property. We could go down and sit near the water. And this was Simba's first beach trip, so we believe he absolutely loved it, and definitely we enjoyed our stay here.
Our journey towards Mangalore has just started. It is a little bit cloudy day today. Hopefully we should reach Mangalore by around 2 p.m. We have to drive around 235 kilometers to Mangalore.
What an amazing journey it has been! I explored and enjoyed the beautiful road trip, looking at the beautiful sky, the forts, and the beach. Well, travel is not always pretty. Sometimes it hurts, and sometimes it's fun. At the end of the journey, it's the memories that we take back home.
On that note, we are winding up our Gokarna series and looking forward for a new journey with a new destination. See you all in the next journey. Till then, stay safe and like, share and subscribe to the channel.